Okay guys, today I just want to do a quick analysis on BTC USD. So since this is weekend, I just want to be trading BTC today. So guys, first of all, before I go into the analysis, I'll be doing a top-down analysis on BTC USD. So I'll be starting from my daily time frame, to do the analysis. So this is daily time frame, guys. You can see, just mark out the key zones in the market and know how it says, guys. So let's start from the recent structure, guys. So we always like to start from the recent structure. So this is the recent structure we have here. This is a BOS to the upside, a break of structure to the upside. Yeah, and this is what happened on the daily time frame. Price will trace down around here. So price is still at the premium level. So we are not buying anytime soon, guys, on the daily time frame. So we are still bullish, but we are not buying anytime soon. Let's go to the 4 hours time frame to see what we have, guys. So on the 4 hours time frame, price came down to this other block. Yeah, this price came down to this other block here. This other block, we mitigated it and it caused a break of structure here, guys. You can see it here, caused a break of structure upwards. So this was what we were expecting. Yeah, this was what I was anticipating before now, but it really happened very fast. I was waiting for price to come down to the discount level so I can, take my buys from here, but it really happened fast. And price came in so quick, and it was trying to fill this imbalance, say this FVG, but it didn't fill it completely up to 50%. So I still believe strongly that price is going to trade below it. And if you see, we are just at premium level, so we still expect price to drop further into the equilibrium level, sorry, into the discount level, maybe this other block here. So I'll be waiting for price at this other block. Let me take this out here. So this will be here. So this will be my point of interest, this other block. And then we have a fair value gap here. So this is like the discount zone where you'll be buying to a premium. So it's a good point of interest. So let's go down to like 1 minute. Sorry, to like 2 hours. See, okay. You can see, guys, it's more visible here. We have another block here. This imbalance was closed here. So we have an, let me show you, let me point out the imbalance. So yeah, don't get it mixed, guys. So this particular imbalance was closed here and we formed another block here. So we expect price to come into this other block, filling this particular imbalance before going upwards. So let's see, what is price trying to do here? Price is trying to build liquidity. So we call here our liquidity zone. Price is trying to build liquidity, although it run out on the liquidity little. So what we expect is to see price coming bearish down to this OB here. So guys, this is what will happen since we don't know when this price is going to come down. It may take 2 days, it may take 3 days, and we want to like take a trade this weekend. We just take opportunity of this sell market. We'll sell down to this other block. That is will be counter trading. So we just go down to 5 minutes to look for opportunities. So we are at 5 minutes, guys. This is what we have here. If you look at this market currently here, you can see this is the most recent high of the market. Let me mark it out here. So this is the high of this market, and this is what we have here. This is the low. This is particular low, or you can call it this low. Let me zoom it a little. Okay, this is not a retracement, guys. This whole move here is not retracement, so this is still the low of the market. So you can see now we have our BOS here. Markets pull down to the with like market have shifted downwards. So we have a market shift, and if you see what happened here, markets ran into this liquidity that was formed here. You can see. So market ran into this liquidity zone, swept this liquidity with this place here. So I think we are ready to continue bearish on this market, because market have taken out liquidity after forming a BOS here. BOS swept liquidity at this point. So what I'll do now is to go down to the 1 minute. So now on the 1 minute, after price has taken out liquidity here on the 1 minute, this is what we have here now. How do we find a good entry on the 1 minute? So I will just call this. Okay, I'll be using this particular area here for my trade. So let's just say if we broke structure upwards here, like we had the BOS, assuming we had, using the 1 minute, we had a BOS here to the upside. We have another break of structure here, swept liquidity here. What we'll be looking for now is a shift in character or a break of structure downwards, so we can continue the sell, and we have it here already, guys. So this is what happened. Just notice how I'm taking note of the market trend on the lower time frame, so I can get a good entry. So this is it here. This is the low that formed the last high. So this is where we have our break of structure or our market shift in. Now we have our market shift here. So at this point we have a shift in structure downwards, and liquidity has been taken. So if you go back to 5 minutes, you can see that we have a shift in structure. So this is what we'll be looking out for. We look out for an imbalance from that zone, and here we have an imbalance FVG here. So we want to take our trade from this point. It's still okay if you enter now, but this is the zone that will be more advisable to trade from, this FVG, this imbalance here. So I'll just place my limit here. Then I can enter one manually here also, guys, and start selling manually. Okay, just enter. So where will my stop loss be? Okay, first of all, this is the 5 minutes, and where is the nearest OB? Okay, you might want to call this another block, but let me point out the nearest OB here. Yeah, you might want to call this another block. Let's check 1 minute. Find the nearest other block here. Okay, so look at, I will just have my stop loss around this zone here. But to be safe, what you're supposed to do, you just have to place your stop loss at this liquidity zone here. But it's a whole lot of risks. I don't want to risk much, up to €80. So what I'll just do is to look for the nearest order block, which is around here, this zone here. So I'll just take my stop loss to this point here, guys, so that I don't risk much on the account. Then for this one, I also have my stop loss around here. So that is where I have my stop loss. So we hope to see price retrace to fill up this imbalance without taking out this other block here. So if price fills up this imbalance here, guys, we'll continue selling. We continue selling from here down. Be selling from here down to on the 4 hours here. In 4 hours, we're supposed to sell from here down to this point here. That's our TP. Our TP should be around this FVG here. That is where our TP should be. But on the 1 minute, as you can call it scalper or just fast trader, maybe you just want to take something visible. You don't have to, wait for the overall move. Since we are counter trading, you just want to take out a little profit. So you can just take out your profit on 14 euro here. So you just do a quickie scalp, go out from this zone, and if you cannot really wait for the market to really perform everything, so you just take profit here. Then if the market retraces back, you continue with it down this way. So let's see how this plays out, guys. Remember, we are scalping. We are not really scalping, rather. We are not scalping, but we are counter trading to this. We are counter trading from here down to this FVG here. This FVG close to this other block. We are selling down to the premium level. So I want to see how this trade go, guys. So we just want to take advantage of the trend. Also, instead of waiting for price to come down to this other block here, this our POI here, instead of waiting that long, we just want to follow the market down. So after some hours or after some time, we'll just we could even get our profits without following the trade upward. So we just want to take opportunity where it's best. So you just want to follow a clear shot of opportunity. So before you go, guys, I want to say like 5 reasons why I took a sell trade. Number one, we had on the 5 minute. Number one, I want you to listen so that you will just understand how we do um the whole trading process. So number one, we went down to 4 hours. We marked out our POI here, which is this other block here. We knew that price will be coming down to this other block, and we noticed that price didn't fill up this imbalance. If we had filled up this imbalance a little down to this point, then I would have just bring out my Fibonacci tools and draw this level, and we will know that we are already in a discount zone. So any buys from this level here will be will be very valid. So since price didn't come into the discount level, we hope to see price coming here later on. So that's number one on the 4 hours. Number two, I went down to the 5 minutes. I saw a break of structure here, guys. Then saw a break of structure here. Then price went down, taking out this liquidity up here. So aside that, I went back again to the smallest time frame, which is the 1 minute here. The 1 minute here, guys. I also noticed I had a shift in market structure from here. So I have a shift in market structure here, and I placed my limit on this point here. So I'll be selling from here down to this first TP here. Then if this trade retraces back to this FVG here, this imbalance will take it down to the overall take profit here. So that's it, guys.